Welcome to the Totally Honest Cooking Show. I'm Mark. Today we're doing red lentil dal. I had all these red lentils left over after I did the lentil soup a couple weeks ago. So I literally went to Google and I typed in, what can I do with red lentils? And I picked the top recipe. This recipe comes from Nora Cooks. Link in the description below. I'm going to start by mincing a yellow onion. And you should know how to do it by now. I also put some rice on the stovetop. Okay, over on my stovetop, I've heated 2 tablespoons of olive oil to shimmering. Recipe says 1, but I'm using kind of a big pot. And I'm just going to go ahead and drop in my onion. Stir the onions around a little bit. Now we're going to let them cook. Next up, I need to peel and grate a tablespoon of ginger. So I've got the back of a spoon and I'm peeling my ginger. Try to avoid taking off entire sections of the ginger. You don't need to do that. But sometimes it's unavoidable. Ginger can be delicate. And then I'm going to go ahead and grate it. Every time I try to use the stick, if you know a good stick grater, let me know, because this one is not. Don't forget to stir your onions occasionally. They will pick up color, that's fine. Also, this ginger doesn't look particularly good. The cashier at the grocery store asked me what it was, which is not a good sign. Okay, next I'm prepping 5 cloves of garlic. I'm putting them in a garlic press. The recipe says to mince them, but I'm not gonna. As you know, using a garlic press gets you more garlic per garlic, so press your garlic. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and add in our garlic and our ginger. And we're just gonna cook it for about a minute. Let all these flavors get to know each other. 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 tablespoon garam masala, half a teaspoon red pepper flake. Add it in, stir it around, and throw in a tablespoon of water if it feels like it is too dry. That just means if it looks like it is sticking and burning. Now we're adding a cup and a half of red lentils, a 14.5 ounce can of diced tomatoes with the juice, a can of coconut milk. This is 13.5 ounces, and you want full fat, and 3 cups of vegetable broth. And now I should really check on the rice that I've almost certainly, yep, it's done. Probably, make sure I get the bottom. Yep, that's going to require a soak. Whoopsie doodle. Stir it all together. And now we're bringing this mixture to a boil. And while we're waiting on that to boil, I'm going to rinse 3 cups of spinach. If you want to be crazy about it, or if you got guests or somebody coming over, you can snip off the stems so that it looks fancy. I'm not going to do that. Once it's boiling, I reduce it to a simmer. We're going to simmer it for 15 minutes. 15 minutes later, and it's thickened up nicely. I'm going to go ahead and add a teaspoon of salt. Go ahead and squeeze in the juice of half a lemon. And toss in my 3 cups of spinach. And we're stirring in our 3 cups of spinach. And we're just stirring them enough that they wilt a little bit. We don't want to spend a lot of time on it. Sorry, for whatever reason, even with the camera, when I'm working, I'm down and to the left. Which is not ideal when you are filming a cooking show. I see why Kenji built a set now. I don't have Kenji money. We're sticking to the GoPro strapped to my head. Now it's your house. You can serve it how you want it. If I could find gluten-free naan, I would totally be eating this with naan. Are you kidding me? But I can't, so I won't. And there we go. Look at that. Very colorful. Very aromatic. I wish we had smell-o-vision. Okay, I'm gonna go eat this because I'm hungry. Like, subscribe, Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you want to see next. If you've got a recipe to share, share it, please, for the love of God. I'm running out of ideas. And I'll see you next Wednesday. Bye.